So many people are not getting this right. 10 minus 2 into bracket 3 plus 10 divided by 5 plus 9 plus 90. So we are using the order of operation strategy called BODMAS, and so we start with what is in the bracket. That is 3 plus 10. 3 plus 10 is what? 30. We rearrange 10 minus 2. Instead of the bracket, we press times 30, then divide by 5 plus 90. So which is the next order of operation after brackets? Off. Do we have off? No, we don't have off. So we have division. Yes, there's division. So we have 30 divided by 5. What do we get? This is 6. So we can rearrange again. 10 minus 2 times 6 plus 90. What do we have next? Multiplication. Do we have it here? Yes, it is here. This is multiplication. So this will be 2 times 6, which is 12. So we have 10 minus 12 plus 90. What is the next step? The next one is addition. So we come and say here 10 minus 12 plus 90. So what is supposed to be added is 10 and 90. So 10 plus 90 is equals to 100. If that is 100, then we come and say 100 minus 12. This will give us 88. I hope you have understood. That is the assignment for today. Once you are done with it, send the answers to the comment section of this video. Thank you so much.